I want you to get your last 3 bank statements and I want you to download them. Oh, this is good. This is good. I want you to get your last 3 bank statements and I want you to download them into a PDF form. All right. So if you're watching this today, go get the last 3 months, put them in a PDF form, and then I want you to upload them to ChatGPT. And I want you to ask ChatGPT, where can I save money at this summer? Tell them, hey, I want to go on a family vacation. Hey, I want to do this. Where can I save money at? Where can I find an extra $200 inside of my budget? You see, because every dollar has a job. And if it's not building you wealth, watch this, it's stealing your peace. And the only way we can start building wealth is if we can identify where we're spending our money and where we can pull back from. Here's number 2. You got to fix your credit score with Dobby AI. This changes everything. You see, y'all know I'm on a mission to eliminate $1 billion in debt by 2050. And I want to help Black and brown communities have $500 million in wealth. That's just not me talking. That's the work. One of the fastest ways to increase your wealth is to fix your credit score, because better credit means better interest rates. Better credit means better opportunities. Better credit does mean better life. And I know I used to say, man, a credit score don't mean nothing. But as I am evolving and maturing and I'm back in school, I still believe in having and being completely 100% consumer debt. But even myself, within the last 90 days, when I first opened up my insurance policy with a particular company, I'll say it because I'm not knocking them. I think they're still a great company, State Farm. Well, I didn't really have a credit score because I had paid off all my debt. So because I paid off all my debt, I didn't really have an active score. They gave me a high policy for all of my cars. Well, one day I woke up and I realized, man, you got a great credit score. I'm paying $1,300 a month. I want to say right around there with State Farm. Some say, hey, go shopping. I said, okay, cool, no problem. I went shopping. Allstate comes back and gives me, for the exact same cars, the exact same policy. The only thing that was different was I had a low credit score years ago. And now today I have a high credit score. And I am a part of a company called Dobby, Dobly AI. My credit score jumped up.
What's going on, fam? Hey, listen, if you're serious about getting out of debt, building real wealth, and creating a life of freedom, this is your home. I want to personally invite you to subscribe to the channel right now, because every single week we're dropping videos that will help you take control of your money. It will help you shift your money mindset and break money generational cycles. You see, this channel isn't just content. It's honestly a movement. Over 1 million people have joined this community over the last 4 years. I'm still blown away by that, to be honest. And our mission is bold. It is to eliminate $1 billion in debt and build $500 million in assets by the year of 2050. We talk real money, real freedom, and real legacy here at the table. No fluff, no credit card hacks, just the truth that will set you and your family up for a better financial future. Do yourself a favor and join this family, join this movement by hitting that subscribe button. Turn on your notifications and join this journey, because this is where financial freedom begins. Let's get back to the show. Hit that subscribe button.
I went from paying right around $1,200 to $1,300 a month to now paying about $600. I think it's right around $625 a month. It saved me $600. Now remember, this is why I recommend Dobby AI, right? Because they're gonna help you get your credit score up, and I'm gonna give you some more information about them, and hopefully we can pull it up on the screen and show you some different things. But now, I was just teaching a bunch of students at Fayetteville State that your #1 wealth building tool is your margin from your income. So this is going to be all of your income minus expenses, right? Whatever you have left over, that is your margin to build wealth. So if I have an extra $600 that I just put back into my margin because my credit score was better and it allowed me to get a lower policy, now I can take that money and invest it. I didn't go spend it. I didn't go buy anything new. No, I actually took that $600 in savings. I mentally act like I am still spending it, but now I'm investing it. So I highly recommend a company called Dobby AI. And here's why I recommend this platform. Because first off, it's 100% free to get started. But let me tell you what makes this special. You see, Dobby AI is the first AI-powered credit engine in the industry. This isn't some basic credit monitoring app. No, this is an artificial intelligence, AI, analyzing your credit report, finding problems, finding loopholes, and giving you a personalized action plan to fix it. Let's pause right there. This is why I partner with Dobby. Because what did I tell you all? If we're going to build wealth, wealthy individuals have a what? Strategy, AKA they have a personalized action plan. If we are going to fix this, if we're going to build wealth, we need to have a strategy. And a part of that strategy is making sure that we're not overpaying on interest rates, that we're not overpaying on insurance policies, that we're getting the best deals possible. Not let's go rack up debt. No. Instead of me having to give a first and a last month rent for a deposit because I don't have a credit score, let me keep that money inside of a high yield savings account because I do have a good score. Here are some things that got me real excited about partnering with Dobby. Because when I first partnered with them, man, I saw my score jump up, but the results speaks for themselves. They have a 92% success rate when it comes to helping people get their credit fixed correctly, legally, ethically, and morally. Premium users like me see an average of an increase of about 70 to 80 points go up within a matter of 6 to 12 months. One person saw their credit score jump 80 points in just 1 month. And this particular company, Dobby, has helped over 700,000 Americans and collectively increased credit scores by over 5 million points.
What's going on, family? I want to thank my friends over at Dobby for sponsoring today's show. You see, with rising rent, inflation, and high interest rates, your credit score matters more than ever. Whether you are trying to buy a home or just qualify for an apartment, it all starts, honestly, with having good credit. You see, this is where my friends at Dobby AI comes in. Watch this. It's a 100% free app that helps you build, fix, monitor, and even protect your credit with no confusion and no stress. Just smart AI-powered support that works 100% consumer debt-free. Dobby AI helps you build credit fast, helps you fix errors quickly, and stay protected with weekly updates, real-time alerts, and here's the best part about it, a $1 million ID theft insurance policy. Here's what I love about Dobby. On average, users are seeing about 34 points go up when it comes to their credit report. No credit card required, and premium members average an 82-point boost on their credit score. The better your score, the more you save, and the more you get approved. Listen, I need you to go check out my friends over at anthonyoneal.com/Dobby. Again, that is anthonyoneal.com, DOVLY. If you're tired of hearing no because of your credit scores, it's time to take control with my friends. Go check them out right now, and let's get back to today's show.
So let me break down exactly how this AI actually works. You see, the AI analyzes your credit report and identifies exactly what's hurting your score. Then you choose which items to dispute. You are in control. Once you select them, Dobby AI handles all the dispute paperwork automatically while you track the process. But I want to be honest with you. This isn't just about disputing errors. This is a complete credit solution. Real-time credit monitoring, so you know immediately when something happens. Identity theft protection, personalized action plans to build your credit stronger, and data-driven insights so you make smarter financial decisions. Listen to me. Most of these credit quote-unquote repair companies charge you hundreds of dollars up front, and you don't know if it's going to work. With Dobby AI, you can start 100% free. There's no investment from you up front, and see the results before you upgrade and invest into the premium. I'm on a premium. One of our users that recently signed up here last month said, Dobby AI has changed my life and has got me one step closer to buying a home for myself and for my family. Another one said, errors are dropping off my credit reports left and right. So that's real money back in their pocket. So listen, in today's world, you can't be running from AI. We got to learn. I was teaching this to a couple of adults that we have to learn, how do we partner with AI and use it as a tool that helps us progress forward? Remember, I told you to download 3 of your bank statements, upload it to AI, ChatGPT, and ask it to analyze and see where can you cut back at. With this free tool, Dobby, listen, this is another great way to start. Your credit score affects everything: your mortgage, job applications, deposits, insurance rates. Every point you increase your credit score can, and it will save you from hundreds to thousands of dollars over your lifetime. I want you to go check out my friends over at Dobby AI today. Start 100% free. Go give them a try, y'all, for 30 days. Let's see what the artificial intelligence can do for you. You can do this by going to anthonyoneal.com/Dobby. That is anthonyoneal.com/DOVLY. Tell them, hey, Anthony ONeal sent you, and I promise you, you'll enjoy it.